Definitely, I think it just kind of lifted a weight off my shoulders in terms of the scholarship aspect of it because, I was, grateful enough to my parents to support me in undergrad, but since this is a master's degree, I'm kind of on my own for that one. So just kind of having that relief and the weight off my shoulders has been a big thing to allow me to focus really on my studies this year, I would say. That is a great question. Definitely growing up, my mother, she was a certified public accountant. Her license has since expired or whatever the term is. So growing up seeing that, my dad also works in banking and in business. So I knew something in that realm. And then I just really love like kind of the idea of such job security and schedules and just, I'm a very type A personality. So, accounting really does follow like kind of a set schedule, even if that's like annually versus day to day. You kind of know what to expect, which I really liked that portion of it. And then I've always enjoyed math. Nothing too advanced, so like calculus was a bit too much for me. So, basic arithmetic is great. So accounting, it just seemed kind of like a natural fit. Unfortunately, I didn't think that far in advance in undergrad. I majored in economics with a minor in accounting, but it all worked out because I was able to get my undergraduate degree in 3 years, and then now I'm using my fourth to have a fourth year with all my friends and get a master's in something that I'll actually use. Definitely audit has been like a big interest of mine. That's kind of what the job I've accepted post-grad. I think because there is still a lot of kind of like mystery to it, and you do have to use a lot of critical thinking to, find out if things are materially misstated or just kind of the whole audit process. I really enjoy from start to finish. I definitely do not enjoy tax, which is unfortunate because I feel like that's a bit more useful to the average person, being able to like do taxes and things like that. But something about it just really hasn't clicked with me, but audit I definitely really enjoy. Yeah, that's a great question. That's a lot to think about. I definitely just think giving my best every day is just something that I can control and something that then could have like a domino effect of creating an impact. Definitely, I've accepted a job with KPMG, so working for a bigger company, I think kind of does open more doors to having sort of a bigger impact in that way. I would also love to give back to a younger generation such as myself later in life, whether that's getting involved with an organization like this post-grad or something like that, where you're just kind of influencing the next generation. I think would be a great way kind of to bring more purpose to my work. I would definitely probably highlight, kind of the job security aspect because, so many things are changing in the world, but you're always going to need accountants. And also I feel like getting a degree in accounting and starting with like your first job out of college being something within accounting, it just opens so many doors to really anything that you wanted to do in business, whether that's, finance, consulting. I think everyone in the business world really appreciates the value of an accounting degree, and especially the value of having the 3 letters of CPA on the end of your name is a big deal. My accounting mentor. That would probably be one of my current professors at Clemson. His name is Jimmy Barnes. He's kind of an institution around Clemson. He just has so much experience in all sorts of sectors of accounting. He's been served on so many like not-for-profit boards, and that's the class he's currently teaching me in, is governmental and not-for-profit accounting. And I just feel like he has seen everything there is to see and has like a lot of sage advice about that. So I think he would be a pretty good mentor to have around.